Ever wondered how to potentially find someone's location on Facebook? Let's be clear, finding someone's exact location on Facebook isn't always straightforward and requires the user to have shared this information intentionally. It's vital to be respectful of people's privacy. This tutorial explains the potential methods, but always prioritize consent and ethical behavior. First, check their profile. Navigate to their profile page. Then go to the About section. Look for information under contact info or places they've lived. If they've shared their current city, hometown, or visited places, you'll find it here. This is information users voluntarily provide. Next, explore their past posts. Sometimes, people like to share their real-time location when making posts, for example, to let their friends where they are. If they have tagged locations in their posts, these will appear with a map. This feature requires the user's direct input. Consider Messenger. If you're chatting with someone and they've sent their location with their consent, you can view it in the chat. This is a feature within Messenger that the user has to actively enable. Remember, respect their decision. If you are unable to find the user location, this means the user has not shared their location information publicly. Avoid speculation or making assumptions. Always respect their privacy. The only way to know the user location is by the user's consent. Remember, this information is only available if they choose to share it. Respect online privacy. Always be mindful of the inherent risks and stick to the rules. That's all there is to it.